Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the Lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. We're on our Creative Photo Academy Tuscany photo adventure, but we took half a day today to be taught how to cook by my good friend Andrea at his lovely estate. So, what do you got to say to all my friends from around the world?
I'm happy that you are here with all your good friends. And I like to share with you something typical, easy, and tasty from the area. And I hope you have fun.
And the food was amazing. We cooked it ourselves with his and his amazing staff's guidance. And you know what? I did a little photo story today to document what we did. Because even though we're on a photo trip, we're going to have learn cooking and the wonderful history and the food of Tuscany, but I'm going to photograph, and you should too, and make a documentary about it. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, get out, make a picture, share it, and
Thank
have
you so
something
much.
good to
Thank you
eat.
so much to
Thank you,
be here.
Andrea.
Thank
What
you.
do you think, guys?